Okay, we're back. Let's get our sauce started. We're going to take the rest of our marinade, which is about, I would say it's a good half a cup. We're going to take some brown sugar. Add that right to it. About 2 tablespoons. Alright, we're going to take that to the heat. Stir in our sugar. And just let it come to a boil. Okay, while that's doing that, we're going to take our parsley. We're going to chop that up. Not too fine. Let's grab another little bowl. We're going to take our French's fried onions. Now, all this right here that we're doing, this is just a, garnish for our steak. Take our parsley and just toss them together like a little salad, like so. Alright. Check our sauce. Coming to a boil. As you can see, I just took our French fries out the oven. They're nice and golden brown, soft to the touch. Since they've been out for a while, we're going to reheat them. We're going to drop them back into the fry oil. Just to get them crispy again. Alright, and also, our steak is out the oven. It's been resting. Pretty much you have to rest it to let the blood settle. Not to the point where it's cold, but just, let the meat, relax again. Okay? Alright, our sauce is boiling. Give it a couple good stirs. That looks really good. I'm going to cut that off. Alright, our fries are almost there. Like I said, we're just trying to get them crispy again. We're not re-cooking them. Alright, those are done. I'm going to turn that heat off. Grab yourself a bowl. Drop those right in. You want a pretty nice sized bowl because we're going to toss our fries with our seasoning in the same bowl. And it's really good to have the oil on it. It helps our seasoning stick to it. Okay. Grab our seasoned curry. Sprinkle a nice healthy portion right over the top. Toss it up a little bit. Sprinkle a little more. Make sure you get it evenly coated on all sides. The curry smells so good. Alright, that's done. Alright, our sauce is done, our steak is done, our fries are done, and our green beans are done. When we come back, we'll plate up. Okay, let's plate. Take our bulldog fries. 4 per person is plenty. We're going to line them up. Actually, let's go 3. These are pretty huge. Alright. Grab our green beans. And what we're going to do with the green beans is place a little bit in between each potato. Like so. Alright. We're going to grab our steak. Take a look at it and see which side looks better. And place that right over the top. Alright. Grab our fries and parsley. And sit that right on top in a little bunch. Like so. Get it as high as you can. Then we'll take our sauce. Let's see how we're going to do this. Let's run one up and one down. Take your spoon, make a little pool, and drag it. Now we're going to go the opposite way. Start a little pool up top and drag it. Alright, this is today's dish. Caribbean New York strip steak with curried bulldog fries and sauteed green beans. And we use our sauce as our marinade as our sauce. Thank you. Oh, that sounds like our date is here. Let's see.
Looks really good.
Thanks. Try it out.
Just
Just cut it. That's alright if it falls apart.
okay.
It's supposed to.
Okay.
How was it?
It's really good.
Thanks. Okay, for our wine pairing for this meal, I would go with a Malbec. Malbec happens to be one of my favorite wines. It's actually one of those wines that goes well with just about anything. It's like a middle of the road wine. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It doesn't have too many tannins. It's a really great wine. This one happens to be a Catina Malbec 2004. Absolutely my most favorite wine. So if you can find this, pick it up. If not, any Malbec will do. Alright, until next time, thank you.